circles my shirts all over my head. Oh my.
And then Shane
Ooh, there goes.
and then fucking Shane
Ooh, there goes my shirts up over my head. Oh my. Ooh. Now tumble, John. And plah. Hey, Christin. Beach day, August 19th. Oh, wait, today's the 20th, no? When the day I was supposed to be teaching. Stupid ass. Okay, let me give you a tour. This is Laguna.
This is my Jordan.
That's the super buff daddy right there. Hi. And there's the seagulls, the birds. This is a bird show. Hey, birdies. Tell us what's the mix. Can I fuck this Trini? Oh, she's like, oh, hey. I just walking on through, honey. Across the floor. Oh no, here comes the waves. I'm gonna get in the water right now. You guys need to hurry up because I want to get in the water right now.
I'm not trying to turn into a fucking lobster today, Phillip.
Christin, there's no sun.
I mean,
Como la sol. La ha. Yo yo. No no.
That tape's gonna be done all over you. You're probably taping over all your choreography.
No.
Did you check it?
of course. This is Phillip trying to get in the water. Look at him prance. Just run in! Let go, sexy Phillip. Did you freeze your butthole? Phillip just froze his booty hole in the water. How did that feel, boo?
Is it cold?
Actually, no, I can get in the water. Ready?
Okay, he claims he's really going this time.
I just put like all like this stuff on right now.
Let it dry for a second. Phillip's not going in anyways. You're such a liar. Ah! Just kidding. Now dance and sing.
There goes my soul.
Oh, we gotta get Speedo Guy. Here's Speedo Guy here at Laguna Beach.
Is he a hero?
I'm getting Speedo Guy right now. Phillip's gonna be mad that I missed him for Speedo Guy. Now tumble, Phillip! Tumble!
Look at the jet ski people. Come on, the jet ski people.
Yes? What do you want me to do with your camera?
Are you sick?
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Action. Good job. Action, girlicious. Camera is rolling. Technique, ladies, action.
Hey, I don't you criticize my technique.
My technique was worse.
Christin, you're too far apart.
Sorry, hold grab tighter.
Go now.
It's still recording.
There you go.
Good job.
We did one. That was.
Okay, we're attempting to do a round off. I'm kind of burning. Christine, you're getting some color.
Good.
Alright, there you go. I can't, I'm scared. Sorry, so when you see me running, that's when you should hit.
I already hit it. John Solis preparing the Olympic gold medal. Get it, girl. Stay! Yay! Ding, ding. Get it.
I'll tell you.
Olympia Apollonia is getting ready. She's a little nervous because there's waves involved and sharks. But there she goes. She's looking for the gold. Ha! Ha! Blah! Woo! Yeah.
Hopefully he does something else. Watch it.
This is the future Johnny.
His name's Johnny too.
Oh, did you see him fall? That is the future Johnny right there, Tumbelina.
Oh, so cute.
That is so adorable. Go. Go, Johnny. Go. Yes.
Yeah.